Hey, welcome to the Flaming Dev YouTube channel, where I give you free resources, but all I want you to do is hit that subscribe button. That's it. I'm trying to get to 500 by the end of the month, so if you haven't, go ahead and do it, please. And on another note, let's just get started. Alright, so here we are in studio. By joining the game, I have a camera list here. Go in here, you have cameras. You can actually press F for flash it or click the button, which now I think is kind of useless because you press buttons in one spot. And you can look around the camera. I think it looks really good in my opinion. We can switch cameras to look around the vents or into another room. We got a little robot guy there. He doesn't actually attack though. He's literally just a wandering robot. Got a little backstage dark room to show you how it could look. I mean, this looks really good, I think. And you could put your own VFX on this and make it look a lot better. But so let me show you how it works. Basically, I have something called camera seats, and this is your camera seats. I believe these all have a tag. Yep, they're tagged with camera seat. I'll have in the description a little model that's set up already. Just go in the description, click on the Discord server, and then go to code releases, and just search for, or you should be able to find, there's only like 6 things on there right now. 7 including this one. And yeah, so in the camera, it's literally just a seat called seat, and then there'll be something called camera zone. It's the object value. You'll set that to another folder which has all your camera positions in it, which is just the part facing where you want your camera to face. Let me find one that's a little more easy to see. As you can see, it's literally just a part. Again, I'll have this whole template for you. You can just have this whole map right here. But it's basically just a part anchored, backlight off. You could turn this transparent so you couldn't see it if you didn't want to. And then you could put like a camera model here. But yeah, it's pretty good. Here's the dark room. These vents don't actually lead anywhere. These are just empty vents. And let's say you're not trying to make it for a scary game. You can also use it for a not scary game. Here's it inside of my game. Oh, it's loud. If I click on here, you see this is inside my hit game Boulder Run. But yeah, you have to take the VFX away for a game like this. It's just not really a scary game. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to set up a brand new project if you don't want to use the pre-made. If you already made a map and you're just trying to put this system into your game. Let me show you how to do that real quick. Okay, so I'm in a brand new template. Let me show you how to set this up. So I'm going to the plus button, or no, I'm just going to right click, insert from file, and then you'll find your camera system and you'll just drag it, double click it, and it'll put it in the game. What you'll get if you got the model, which is what I'd recommend you use so you can put it in your own map, is you'll get this model. I'll just ungroup it. I don't know why I put it model. And you put everything into where it says it should go. So, started UI, we'll just drag that to started UI. Starter character scripts, we'll drag that to starter character scripts. And workspace will go to workspace. Then you can just delete the camera system. So then you just gotta make the a folder in workspace, or create a folder. Name this to our cameras. You can have multiple of these hooked up to different chairs. So if you want to actually show you how to do that, so I'm actually gonna duplicate this. Put a second one right back to it. So I'll duplicate my cameras. And this first one we're going to add a part. This is actually where your camera will go to. I recommend putting a hinge on it, but of course they removed the ability to do that. Like if I go in here, it's just not here anymore. So what you got to do is go to your command bar and type in workspace.cameras, but these are named the same. Let me unname this one. I'll name this cameras 2. Workspace.camera. Make sure to put the S. .part. Front surface equals, and I just do quotes, hinge. And I'll give us a little thing that tells us which side it's forward. I don't know why they removed the ability to do that, but apparently they just hate us. I'll set the size to 1 by 1 by 1. And I'll move it up. Where'd the front go? And then you can put this where you want it to be. So I'll just have it looking at your character so you can tell it's 2 different cameras. This is the first one. So you click on this, it'll be like looking directly at your character. And then you name this to what you want the camera to be named. So I'm gonna call this camera folder 1. So you can see it's this folder. I'll put 1 into the cameras 2 folder. I will rotate it, and I'll just put it right. Well, there it goes. Well, it wasn't working for a second there. I'll put it there so you can tell it's the second one. And I'll call this camera folder 2. Now, if I go to these camera chairs, they should have a value in here. It's a object value, and we'll put that to the camera. So that one goes to that. So I'll just put this as camera zone 1. So it's just gonna be the folder of cameras. probably a better way to do this, but I think this is the most simple way to make it for other people that want to use the system. And I'll do this for camera 2. So I jump in the game. You'll see if I jump in, I'm invisible. Probably could fix that, but if we jump out, go to camera 2. We see camera folder 1. This one should be camera folder 2. Flashlight works. Pretty basic camera system. Oh yeah, that's it for setting it up. Alright, so another thing I thought I might as well mention is, obviously my modeling skills are awful, and this desk does not look good. So if you want to get rid of this desk, you literally can delete everything in this whole desk, except all you need is the camera zone, object value, and a seat. That's it. So if I make this seat visible so I can see it, it's still going to work just fine. I get in here, it still works. As you can see, perfect. And yeah. So please like and subscribe. I'm trying to hit 500 subs by the end of the month. And on another note, if you have any ideas for me to make, something you want me to make and make a video on, just tell me. Right now, I've been making videos off of some popular things I've seen. Like, I think it's pretty obvious that this camera system is inspired by FNaF at Freddy's. And my last video, I think my placement system was heavily inspired by the 99 Nights in the Forest, because it's literally the top and trending. So I'll probably do a couple other videos on 99 Nights systems similar to it. But if you have any videos you'd like to see me make, just tell me. You can DM me in the Discord server or however you get a hold of me. Comments, doesn't matter. And yeah, thanks for watching.